Namaste. Greetings. I would like to chat with you about how to do the postures in more alignment with the divine alignment or the natural alignment of the body. When we practice the postures, because we do repeat them all the time, down dog especially is quite common in the new vinyasa flow style. When it's repeated so many times, the same habitual pattern, the same repetitive pattern, if we have this drive behind of I need to attain, I need to get better, we're going to lose the sense of feeling which takes us into the natural flow of the body, which is not always easy to feel because we are conditioned to stay thinking and we never drop into. So a simple exercise I'd like you to experience with me. So I'm going to give you the instruction, you follow the instruction, then I'm going to give you a new instruction to follow. Place your hands onto your knees and start circling around. That's it, circling around. Close your eyes. This will be a nice taste. Some people are naturally natural. Some people don't go into I need to, I have to. And a traumatized mind, a traumatized body needs to constantly do something, protect themselves, be stronger. It's codependency patterns in the body. So let's check. Now I'd like you to ask your body to please take over the movement. You don't know, you don't want to know, and just ask your body. Say, body, please take over. Notice what you can feel. Notice the natural alignments, the non-efforts, the doing without doing, the being. Now the beauty of this practice is it's always ongoing. Try that, doing it to the other side. So I give you the instruction again, rotate to the opposite side. And you think you had it, and now again you ask your body, I'm not sure anymore, please take over. Relinquish control to the body, dropping from the mind to the body. Don't do the work. Don't do the thinking. Thinking, how should this be done? I should sit taller. I should be this, I should be that. He's constantly in a traumatized or a thinking mind. Allow yourself to come back to being. Keep watching. The practice of yoga is not what you do, but eventually to fall into yourself and fall into natural alignment where the energy is flowing naturally. So you, as a yogi, is always saying you are already enlightened. We just have to remember it. So we have to unpeel the layers that have been placed upon us through life experiences. Codependency. The psychologists know all about this. It's all placed upon us, and we don't know how to unravel it. But through the body sensing, through surrendering and allowing, we can do that. We can unravel it on an energetic level to release. Thank you for watching. Namaste.